We have extreme weather conditions now with current climate changing, so we need to remember a cow's quite happy at 5 degrees C. We find it quite cold, but a cow starts getting heat stress at 19 degrees C, and then we've got the humidity indicator as well. So making sure you can cool the cows properly, and therefore the use of fans are critical in housing and keep the heat away from them. I also need to think about the use of maybe sprinklers, but I'd advise maybe sprinkling the front half of the cow and the head to encourage intakes, but if you cover the whole of the cow, you can actually make it an insulating and consequently do more harm than good. With regards to the hot summers, there's something on a nutrition point of view that farmers need to understand and pay attention to. The rumen is a massive fermentation vat. It's a radiator. So consequently, that's why they stand up, not lie down, because they need to try and stay cold. So you need to feed a cow that with ingredients that actually don't generate heat in the rumen. So while we need to make sure we've got a good fibre mat, we want to have feeds that don't ferment fast to generate heat. And the other thing is therefore feed bypass feeds. So increasing the level of fats in the diet are very, very good because they don't eat, they get short of energy. So you actually need to keep that energy in, and rumen inert fats do not cause any heat in the rumen. Bypass glycerine again is another real positive for glucogenic energy, and look at bypass proteins. Obviously, with regards to fats, we need to think of fats as fatty acids. So you really want to feed a fat that's good for the cow. So Dynalac is absolutely the perfect balance for that one. Or you can now use the new Envirolac, which has got a rumen buffer in it as well to help the rumen pH. So either of those two work really well. And don't forget the glycerine. Dry glycerine. The cows require glucogenic energy.